Civil authorities from all over this goddamn shithole have issued a Shoop, the Oklahoma Dracula alert for the United States of America, effective until midnight November 1st. Dracula, the massive blood-sucking retard, probably from Sesame Street, with fangs growing out of his ass, has risen from his grave and is probably in goddamn Pennsylvania or something. The graveyard where he was buried was right near a McDonald's fast food restaurant. Dracula ate at McDonald's and now he has severe food poisoning, which causes him to fire his laser by vomiting. He is super pissed about it and he is traveling around the country in a 1957 Plymouth Fury and is having his Shoop, the Whoop episodes and powerfully puking on everything in sight. Is this the end of the world? Probably. We're all going to be covered in blood and vomit, so grab your hazmat suits. It even has people like Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z saying,
"It's over 9,000!"
So far, Dracula has caused massive destruction in the following states: Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, North Dakota, and South Dakota. The entire Los Angeles Lakers basketball team has attempted to tell him to stop it and get some goddamn help, but so far it ain't fucking working. We are now getting reports that the retarded blood-sucking vampire went on a massive Shoop, the Whoop vomiting rampage at an elementary school in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Several children now will have to receive 7 years of expensive mental therapy. This is definitely one of the dumbest, retarded shit I had to hear. I should go shoot myself. Anyway, as I was saying, wait. Why do I hear footsteps? Holy motherfucking shitburgers with extra shit sauce, holy shit cream! The Shoop, the Whoop vomiting Dracula, has entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not start puking all over my face.